The political headline this morning is the BJP President JP Nadda tweets saying Rahul Gandhi has not attended a single meeting of the Standing Committee on Defence. Sadly, he continues to demoralize the nation, question valor of our armed forces, and does everything that a responsible opposition leader should not do. That was JP Nadda's tweet. The BJP President ramping up the political strike, saying Rahul Gandhi belongs to that glorious dynastic tradition, where as far as defence is concerned, committees don't matter, only commissions do. Congress, he says, has many deserving members who understand parliamentary matters, but one dynasty will never let such leaders grow. Really sad. That was the meeting, that was the tweet. This is the BJP responding this morning. Let's listen in.
लोगों की सेहत के लिए, लोगों की सुरक्षा के लिए, लोगों के सम्मान के लिए जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, चाहे खेत के लिए में हो रहा हो, खलिहानों के लिए हो रहा हो, नौजवानों के लिए हो रहा हो, व्यापारियों के लिए हो रहा हो, उद्योगपतियों के लिए हो रहा हो, महिलाओं के लिए हो रहा हो, समाज के कमज़ोर तबकों के लिए हो रहा है, वो सारी चीज़ें उनको नहीं दिखेंगी। इसीलिए हमने कहा कि ये झूठ का झाड़ सच के पहाड़ के नीचे छटपटा रहा है। तो ये तो मतलब इसीलिए हमने कहा ना कि करने में जो है वो ज़ीरो और धरने में हीरो, इनकी स्थिति ये है।
And Piyush is joining us live. Piyush, we are told that there were 11 meetings in all, 11 meetings of which Rahul Gandhi has not attended a single one. And there's also a confirmation that's coming in from the Standing Committee on Defence that Rahul Gandhi, while he likes to talk about defence, talk about India's national security, we are told has not attended a single meeting so far.
Well, absolutely, Niranjan. This is not the first time when this report has come out. Before, also, BJP's national spokesperson Jeevan Narasimha Rao had tweeted that he is also one of the members of the Defence Committee of Parliament, and Rahul Gandhi also comes in that same committee. And the report has now come out that 11 meetings have taken place, and Rahul Gandhi has not attended a single one. And looking at that now, JP Nadda has hit back at Rahul Gandhi that he tweets a lot of things about India-China face-off, but he has not even attended a single meeting of Defence Committee of Parliament. This somewhere shows the kind of mindset that Rahul Gandhi has and the political immaturity which he is showing. Moreover, JP Nadda further in a tweet has said that the glorious dynasty continues to take over the other leaders, because there are many other leaders in the Congress party who are talented enough, who know everything about what's going on, but they do not speak because because of the dynasty and because of what Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are doing. So looking at what Rahul Gandhi has been doing and tweeting about the armed forces, now JP Nadda has hit back by saying that he has not even attended a single meeting, and now he's tweeting on these issues. We'll have to wait and watch what the Congress party is going to react on this. As of now, Niranjan, we have not heard any single reaction coming in from the Congress party, but this report which has now come out, which states that there are out of 11 standing committee meetings on defence, Rahul Gandhi has not attended even single meeting. We'll have to wait and watch if Rahul Gandhi himself clarifies on this, because he has been tweeting which somewhere raising a lot of questions, and he is trying to also tweet on Indian Armed Forces, which somewhere dismorals which somewhere hit their morals also. So what Rahul Gandhi is doing now, BJP in an out in open. Now JP Nadda, BJP president, has come out in which he has tweeted that he needs to be aware about what's going on. You would remember that in the last CWC meeting also there were some Congress leaders who had raised objections over the kind of working of Congress party is concerned, where Arjun Singh, who is one of the tallest leaders of the Congress party from Uttar Pradesh, he had said that we should not attack Prime Minister personally, but the policies of the government. And similarly, there were many other Congress leaders. So looking at what's happening in the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi making tweets without having any sort of information on what's going on, now JP Nadda has hit back at him. We'll have to see how the Congress is going to react.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us with those inputs. That's a political update and a face-off that you can expect to play out through the day. That's the BJP president on a Monday morning tweeting about Rahul Gandhi's absence at the Standing Committee on Defence meetings. 11 meetings held so far. And the news is that Rahul Gandhi has been missing from all those meetings. A very strongly worded response that came in from the BJP president.